In a significant boost to the Tipra Motha Party, over 95 voters from 27 families formally joined the party on Sunday. The mass joining ceremony took place during a large public gathering at Duski Market, situated under the 16-Mandwi Pulinpur Constituency. The new members, who previously belonged to various other political parties, placed their allegiance to Tipra Motha in the presence of senior leadership. They were officially welcomed into the fold with party flags and traditional honours by Minister Brisaketu Debarma, A.M. Rabindra Debarma and YTF Khoi District President and other local leaders. Addressing the gathering, Minister Brisaketu Debarma stated that this mass exodus from other parties reflects the growing trust of the people in the vision of Thansa. These families have joined Tipra Motha today because they have deep faith in the leadership of Bubagra Pradut. They believe that the only Tipra Motha can secure the future and rights of the indigenous people through unity, the minister remarked.
Ki bazaro chini kaisa kotor joining program tongo ka joining program o 27 family ni 95 voters chini Tipra Motha o joining klaika ke jung borono bubagra ni ngai te chini Tipra Motha ni ngai borono khabai khub lamsogo sudu duski hatio simia sara Tripura no omahai program chalui tongo sungti norok nugu mana chini bisikango je basa jagrok joto ubni rajnaitik bodol yakari bubagra ni thansani mario faizak Geseng amtei fake joining rok sung buihai khlaya sung aboni bagino chini jara chini Tipra sarok jara tini bubagrana hamjagi bubagrani aprino krak khanan bagi phaika borno bisikango bachari wino chini joining program sung khlaika gai borno khabai khubai sung lamsogo tei agami dino chini Tipra sarok banchinan bagi chini busabuti roni busuroni bobishotni kokno wansugui sung tini borokno yapri sama bagi borno khabai khugbai hambai afaro.
The event at Duski Market is seen as a strategic win for the party in the Khoi district, reinforcing its grassroots strength. Pure Report, Chini Khorang.